Okay. Now are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. See, like this chicken club, no, Anjwani. See, you can club multiple cases, huh? And then at the end you can write whatever you want to print here, and then you can, put break. This will act as or. This special situation is the same as or in if, like this. This will execute in the same way. Are you getting this, Anjwani?
Yes, ma'am. Getting.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You don't have to write it one another time. But I didn't say wrong. Shri is there. I don't remember actually. I don't remember seeing the program. I
मैम
don't- okay. Yes. Yes. Yes,
मैम
Neti.
उधर
Hmm.
उधर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बिग ऑफ 1 हो जाएगी ना मैम,
किसकी?
क्योंकि
हाँ.
पहले वाले केस में और
Yes.
इधर
Hmm.
और
Hmm.
इधर n है।
Hmm.
भले प्रोग्राम बड़ा है लेकिन इधर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी 1 है और इधर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी n है, तो मैम अगर वो करें तो मैम
तो भी चलेगा ना? That is also fine, Netik.
वो ज्यादा ऑप्टिमाइज हो जाएगा।
Yes. 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 I know you're looking for optimization.
हाँ
Yes. 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 In according to that, you are right.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. That's good. Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt in third question.
Okay. Assignment
Ma'am,
one only. Yes.
yes, ma'am. Assignment third question. Can you please
Okay.
open?
Assignment one. Yes. Third. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in this question, if user enters value between 10 to 20, then it will print 10.5 pounds. Then what if user prints between 20 to 50?
Okay. If it is between 10 to 20, then only this is a scenario. For
Okay.
20 to 50, we don't have anything. It is not mentioned here. We are just mentioning that if the weight is bigger than 50, or you can, oh, maybe I have done a mistake here. Oh, okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
should be
What if
20.
user print 33 then?
Yes, 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 I understand. Okay, see,
Okay.
you can manipulate the program accordingly. Just mention here
मैंने
20.
रेंज में
Hmm.
वेट लेस देन इक्वल टू 30 ले ली थी फिर 20 के बदले।
Oh, that is
हाँ मैंने
fine. That is
50 कर दिया था मैंने।
Okay.
either, yes, yes. Either you put 50 here, either you put 20 here. Okay, doesn't matter.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Anything. Yes, yes. You are
Thank
right.
you, ma'am.
I must have miswrote it. Yes. Yes. Any other questions in assignment? No questions, right? Okay, good, good. Okay, what we are going to do today, what we did in the last class, do you remember? Last class,
Ma'am,
what?
string
we were
functions.
discussing
String functions. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. String functions. Yes. Okay. So, any questions regarding any of the string functions that we have seen? Those were easy, right? Any questions do you have? No. Okay, good. Anybody facing any queries? Did you try these programs on your own? Did you try those functions on your own at home? Did you try? कि असाइनमेंट आएगा तब देख लेंगे ऐसा? हाँ? Anybody has tried all these functions? No. Okay, fine. Whenever you are free, try it on your own. Okay, just try those functions on your own. They are very easy. But there is one more function that I want to show to you. Wait. One more function that I want to show to you before we start the next topic. Yes, it is open. It's a good function actually. You will understand it once I type. You will understand. And let's open the attendance. Is it open? No. Anybody facing any questions or any queries in assignment number 2? Assignment 2 is also clear, right? Anybody facing any issues in that? They can talk.
No, they
Yes.
started assignment too.
You have okay, you haven't started it yet. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, no problem. That is still, next to next week, no? So,
But no, we have plenty of time, Ramarga, for assignment.
Yes, plenty. Yes.
I have done assignment 1, ma'am. Soon we will
Yes.
submit.
But you will get assignment 3 also very soon. That is based on yes.
I will show assignment 1.
What happened, Prima?
I mean, I will submit assignment 1 now first.
Okay. You tell me what is this? Let me keep the first. Okay. Why? Are you all able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. There is one function compared to, okay. Just see the output and try to understand what it is doing. Okay. Otherwise, I'll help you out. But still, first, try it on your own. Understand what it is doing. Okay. You see this ABC, ABD. Okay. It is showing the output -1. If I put here E, I am running the program. It is showing me 1. Okay. If I put here A, B, C, D, F, G, and F, okay. If I run the program, it is showing me 2. What is happening here? Can you decode it on your own? Can you understand it on your own?
मैम लास्ट कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है?
It is printing that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now let us see the answer, okay?
अब सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाला ही देख रहा है, लास्ट तक जा ही नहीं रहा, डिफरेंस मिल गया तो.
Right? It is only calculating the difference between the first 2 characters. It is not even checking the other 2, right? If I mention here again A, then it is checking the difference in the ASCIIs of these 2 characters, A, I, and A. And A and A nullified, 0, right? I and D is nothing but difference is 5 ASCII characters, right? 5 integer, it is more than D. I is 5 more than D, right? Right, what compare to is doing, and are you getting what it is doing? It is comparing the ASCII values here. This can be used for the purpose of sorting multiple strings. If you are asked to sort the name array, or if you are given few strings and you are asked to sort these strings, you can use compare to function to check which string is bigger and which string is smaller, right? How to check it? If compare to function, what it will do is, whatever is this string written over here in backend, what it will do A minus A for all the same characters. Okay, it will do A minus A. It is nothing but 0. Plus, as soon as the difference came, it will compute I minus D. As soon as the difference came, whatever is the output, this is +5, right? Because I is bigger than D, and I'm using S1 dot S2, right? I'm using S1 dot compare to S2. So it computes S1 minus S2 in short, right? As soon as it reaches to the different characters, it will print this ASCII value, print the difference of the ASCII values here, right? And it doesn't check the rest of the ASCII value. If you have 2 more characters over here, it will not reach here at all. As soon as it encounters the first difference, it will henceforth automatically show you the result that, okay, this is bigger than this one. It will not even touch the rest of the characters. If there are 100 number of characters here, it will not go to these characters. Okay, it directly print the difference of the first difference between these 2 strings is counted like that. It is compared. Are you getting? Shall I explain this again?
Yes, ma'am. Once more, please.
Okay, of course, yes. What comparative is doing is, it is going to check the difference between 2 strings by subtracting the ASCII values, okay? If this string is bigger than S2, then answer will be always positive because I am using S1 dot compared to S2. So it will subtract S1 minus S2 in the back end. Mind well, if I am doing here S2 dot compared to S1, then it will do S2 minus S1, which will result this into a negative value, -5. Check the answer, right? Now it is doing D minus I, A minus A, like that, okay, in the reverse order. But if you are using the same original sequence that I used before, S1 minus S2, S1 dot compared to S2, what this compare to is doing, it will subtract the ASCII values. If let us assume we have A, B, C, D, and here we have A, B, C. The string is like this. Then A minus A, 0, B minus B, 0, C minus D. C minus D will be -1, right? Because I am computing S1 dot compared to S2, no. So C minus D, S1 minus S2. Character wise, it is taking the difference in the back end. C minus D is -1. It will not even check the other characters. It will automatically announce that this is actually smaller than this. Because automatically it knows C minus D. The first characters are equal. Okay, so subtraction of these two characters is 0 only. But now if you go here C minus D, as soon as it encounters a difference in characters, it will not check the other characters henceforth. However, number of characters are here. Even if you have Z here, even if you have A here, these characters are not even seen or not even touched. The moment it finds the difference between these characters, it shows the answer to you that it is negative. So this is actually smaller than the another sequence. That is what it is doing in the backend. Okay, one more time shall I explain? Suppose Patel and Patel is written over here, right? In capital and small but like this, right? Can you give me what will be the output here? It is going to be numeric only. Output will be numeric, number only, subtraction of the ASCII values. If I am doing S1 dot compared to S2, then it is going to do capital P minus small p, right? Give me the answer. Do you know this?
32.
32, right? The difference is 32. For any capital, even if you go A minus A, the difference is 32, right? Yes. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for all the characters, B minus B, again 32. P minus P, again 32, right?
तो minus 32 नहीं आएगा?
It is, yes, capital P is having lower ASCII than this one, no? Small p. Yes, so minus 32, correct. You are right. Yes, Bacha. So capital P minus small p minus 32. So it will not even go ahead and check the other characters also. The moment it found out the difference between these two, if the subtraction is non-zero, if the subtraction is 0, it will not print anything. It will shift over to the next different character. If the subtraction is non-zero, it prints the first non-zero number. If this non-zero number, whatever it is printing, if this printable value is less than 0, it means that S1 is smaller than S2. Negative numbers, no, even if you think mathematically only, no. If you do 1 minus 5, minus 4 is the answer, you know, because 1 is smaller than 5, right? Same way here. If the subtraction of S1 minus S2 is 0, less than 0, sorry, in that case, you know that S1 is smaller than S2, okay? So you already are getting this. This can be applicable in the purpose of sorting. Are you getting this? In sorting, you will compare two strings, no? Whether which one is smaller, which one is greater, right? One more thing. If the difference is greater than 0, imagine it is 10 minus 5. Then you know that 10 is bigger than 5, which means that same way here also, S1 is bigger than S2 in that case. If the string is bigger here, if it is ABC and now if it is small ABC, the difference will be negative. If you change the cases, ABC and small ABC now
difference will be negative.
Negative, sorry. In the previous case, the difference is positive, right?
Positive.
Yes, exactly. What if the characters are same like this? Then
Return 0.
it will return 0, right? If it is same, it will return nothing but 0. Okay. Now are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Only one or two people are answering. Others are still in their happy sleepy place.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, shoot your question.
Ma'am, can we write a program in which we input our name and in
Hmm.
output we get our name in a serial order, right?
Name
Suppose-
is yes.
Can we write a program using this?
Using this compared to.
Yes. We
Okay.
input our name and in output we get in a serial order, like in alphabetical order.
Oh, okay. That is what you are telling. Okay, let me like this. No, if it is like something like this, then you want that in order, right? Output will be A, Q, X. That is what you are telling.
No, ma'am. Suppose me and my friends write their name in any
मैम
order.
अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न करनी है इसको.
String return
1 2 x ऐसा आना चाहिए.
जैसे मैं हाँ
Oh, okay. That is the application of compare to. That is what I'm telling. You can sort, no? You can perform sorting. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yes, it is possible. See, now the reason I'm not showing you the program here, I'll explain you. For storing the names of if for 100 friends, you will not require 100 variables. You will use array, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
That is why I'm not explaining you that point. I'm not showing you the program here. But if you know this bubble sort method, sorting. Sorting
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If
Sorting.
you know sorting, then the way you sort, just replace the less than sign. What will you do in sorting? You will compare this way values, right? Say, for example, you're comparing A of 0 and you're comparing A of 1, right? You will compare like this. No, if this is less than or greater than, like that, you will compare. No. In this condition, instead of using greater than, less than, what you will do? S of whatever you are comparing, say 0, if dot compare to, then you will use here S of 1. If this value, if this answer, it is integer, no. If it is less than 0, then you know that S1 is bigger than S0 is bigger than S1. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
This condition you will put inside that. The reason I'm not showing you here is that I haven't covered up this array thing. Right?
Okay.
That is the reason. But if you know, yes, you can go ahead with that. This is the logic. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. But any questions in specifically compared to? It's clear. Okay, good. Bharti, Darshan, Mohammed. Hello, Smriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any questions in this?
No, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay, good. Okay, clear. Yes, good, yes. All right. Now I'll show you one more thing. If you know compare to, okay. But before that, let me show you one another thing. Then I'll come to that point. Okay, let me do this only. Okay, remember that I have told you that to compare the location, to compare the memory location, we use this double equals to operator in string, right? You remember this in the previous class where I discussed the memory allocation in stack and heap. You remember this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? If there are same entries, I told you, if there are same entries, then both will point to the same memory location. That I told you or not? This we have discussed in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And dot equals will compare the actual content of the string. This we have discussed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. What I want to show you now is this. Okay. And along with this, I want to show you this also. Okay. This also. Do you understand this equals ignore case? Right? You see.
Upper case, lower case, ignore कर देगा.
Yes, exactly. It will nullify the case sensitivity and it will check accordingly. So in here, will the answer be true or false?
False.
True or false? Anjwani, only
False.
you are answering. I'll put sellotape on your mouth. Only you are answering. Others are still sleeping in the class. False. Okay, Pranjul, you are there or you are gone? Hollywood. False. Okay, good. Limbani, are you feeling good today?
Yes, ma'am. All good, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me the answer of this one? This people are saying it is false. What about this one? Do you know this? The name suggests here, see, equals ignore case means remove the case sensitivity, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the answer here now? Tell
True,
me.
true.
True, right? Yes, very good. Okay. So you know what is ignore case, right? Okay. Now, this one also you can see. See, it is false. Different values, different memory location. Okay. One more thing I would like to show you. If you now put here S1 dot compare to S2, what is the answer? And I want to show you this also. Now, can you tell me? Except Panjwani. Panjwani will not speak anything. People are writing in the chat box, you are not talking to me. Unmute yourself and talk to me. What will be the answer of this? A minus A, do it in your mind. See, this proves that Panjwani is the only one who is speaking in the class. Okay, yes. Answer. I got the answer, minus 32. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Bharti also, yes, very good. What about this? This, can you tell me now?
0.
0, yes, very good, Nidhi. Correct, 0, right? Both case sensitivity is ignored and it is shown as 0. Correct, very good. Just like you have equals ignore case, you also have compared ignore case. Okay, where you will use this? Can you tell me? Ignore case also you can use. Where will you use this ignore case and all? In that program that I have given, you know, case of Monday that you are making, right? Remember this for that day wala program.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you are making case Monday. Okay, you are also making this case of Tuesday, right? You are making different cases. All these cases will be having the same the output here. What you want to print is weekday only, right? Till this Friday. Then you want to print in case of Sunday and in case of this Saturday and Sunday, right? You want to print that it is weekend. Okay, this you want to print. Fine. Now, before you go into this, what if user in form of input, the user is entering values like this, then the case comparison will not happen. No. So what you do? You mention str. Can you give me a function that converts this and compares it to nothing? How to convert this to all same cases, or how to make this comparison with this without checking the cases?
Ignore case. Compared to ignore case.
Compared to
Yes,
ignore
ma'am.
case. Okay, good. But here you are, okay, in that case, what you will mention here in the case value?
हम डॉट आगे लगा
Dot आगे लगा के फिर
अरे उस साइड आगे
I understand. You are talking about this Monday dot. Then
that function
equal case, right? This will
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Why I am?
एक्सेप्ट इक्वल्स
है बच्चा?
कॉमा लगा के दूसरा मंडे लिख देंगे ना सिंपल
No. See, the reason it will not work is this will return what? This will return a string, no? Wait. I'm assigning Monday here, okay? Right, now? Okay, we are making cases here, fine. Only this much, let us make only this much cases, all right? Will this work? Boolean, see, ignore case will return what? True or false, no? And
Yes, ma'am.
can be Boolean. Cases can be Boolean. This we have done in case. Cases cannot be Boolean. Wait. Do you remember this? That switch case will not work. The difference between switch and if was that the prime difference. That switch cannot work with Boolean, right? So is this possible? Equals ignore case, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Now you give me the answer. Now what shall I do here? What shall I do to make it not case sensitive? Either I convert the complete string to uppercase, right? Either I convert the complete string to uppercase and check this for uppercase only, no? For all of them. Are you getting? To remove the case sensitivity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is this correct? Because you cannot check here. See, when you are using compare to, when you are using equals ignore case, you are actually using returning Boolean values. Boolean is not possible here. You need some other regard, right? So I did either uppercase or either you can convert it to lowercase and then check accordingly in the case values. It doesn't matter whatever case user is entering here, right? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody having any questions in this? Raise your hand. Talk to me. No questions? Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. One more thing I want to show you. Wait. One more thing I want to show you is this. If you are using string with spaces, okay, there are multiple user can do anything in the program. He will enter, incorrect. Okay, he'll enter incorrect values here. He will enter at the end. He will enter some, blank spaces here. But thankfully, we have a function trim, right, which trims out the complete space which is there here, right? See, trim, right? If I just print it, we can see that empty spaces are actually truncated, not in between, not in between. Actually, I am not able to show you this here, but empty spaces, can you see empty spaces will be truncated here. Without trim, what is happening? Let us see. Then we'll check with trim what is happening. Okay. See here, can you see when I select, I can get the spaces. Here there are no spaces, right? Trim is actually emptying the space before also, after also, but not in between. If in between, if you change the space, what will happen? The value that you want to store in string is changing, altering, no. So in between space cannot be changed, but before also you put n number of space, after also you put n number of space, that space is actually truncated by this trim. Right? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions so far? No questions? In string, no questions? Shall we move forward? Do you have the energy to do another topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I begin with array?
No, ma'am.
Only if you have energy to begin with array. Shall we begin with array? Yeah? Or shall
Yes,
we
ma'am.
take questions on this? Whatever you say. Okay. Panjwani, you are saying no. You can speak now. Panjwani. Hello, unmute yourself. No. No, you have to speak. All right. So shall we begin with array? Is it okay?
Ma'am, next class, ma'am.
Next class array. Today you don't want to do array.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll give you questions for this. Is it okay? Will you perform questions on string?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
मैम एरे ही करवा लो.
Ma'am will do questions, ma'am. Array, ma'am, next class.
Array next matches. Oh, so what? Oh, Manyar, on the new tab side, you are watching match. Is it, Mr. Manyar?
No, ma'am. I am watching only score. On second time, I am doing work also. I can present my screen also.
No.
Watching match, doing.
You must. The Manyar is actually multitasking. He is watching match and alongside he is studying also. Like that, Manyar?
Yes, ma'am. Watching match on mobile.
Oh. So you don't want to do array, people? If you want to start array, we can start. It's a good topic. No programs, just explanation. Is it okay if I give you? Is it okay? Just explanation, or do you want what do you want to do? Then you will.
चलेगा
Huh?
चलेगा
Next time, Bollywood or today?
मैम टुडे मैम
Today. Okay. Show of hands who wants to start array today. I'll take a vote. Show of hands, okay. See, the Bollywood, you and Smriti are only raising the hands. Others are not interested. See next session. See, look, 50.
मैम थक गए लगता है कोई बात नहीं चलो दूसरे थक गए
Then I'll give you questions to solve, okay? Is it okay if I give you questions to solve?
ओके मैम
Okay, questions today. All right, okay. I have a sheet prepared for you guys, okay? I'll share it in the Google Calendar. Wait, I'll stop presenting. You need to give me answers for that, okay? Let me share the sheet in the Google Calendar itself. A very good sheet. You will enjoy working on that a lot. Where is it? But you will not copy and paste. One by one, I'll ask you to speak up, and you are not allowed to copy and paste. Okay, yes. Google Calendar. Shall I share my screen and show it to here itself? Okay, let us do that only. I'll share my screen. Okay. And show it to you here. Otherwise, see, you all will copy otherwise. So, are you able to see my screen?
यस मैम
Yes. Let us try solving the first question. Okay. I want different people answering different questions, huh? Not the same person answering. Okay. Can you guess what is the answer of this first question?
May I try?
Yes, of course.
Answer of A is I equals to 10 and
Okay. Then,
then
Equals to 1.
N equals to 1 and then in B I equals to 10 and N also equals to 10.
I and N both are 10. Okay.
Ma'am, in the A part, N will be 0.
थर्ड ईयर में भी है
N
N
will
will be 0.
be
Yes, ma'am.
used
For
will
the
be,
first one,
yes.
N will,
I will,
I will be 10 and no, no, I will be 7 and N will be 0, I guess.
okay. Somebody's TV is on. Mute your TV, bacha. Okay. See, here I is used as it is, right? And then post increment, no, here. Post
So, ma'am,
increment.
after the statement executes, it will increase. So n should be 0 only, according to me.
Yes, yes, yes. N will be 0 only. What about I? After the statement ends, after that I will be
11.
10.
so that it
Ma'am,
will
I
be.
will be 11. 11.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. What about this now? If we replace I plus plus with plus plus I, then what will happen?
Then, ma'am, the value of n would be 1.
Value of N would be
Ma'am,
1.
for the same input, I equals to 10. For the same input,
Same
we
input,
have to do the
same
B1.
input. Yes, yes, the same input, yes.
And ma'am, I will be 11 and
Okay.
then N will be 0 itself.
I
No,
will
sorry, N will be 1. N will be 1.
N will be 1, right? Because you are actually doing now 11 percentage
11 mod 5.
mode 5. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
1, right? Yes, correct. Okay, are you getting this first question? Panjwani, you have to speak, otherwise I will not talk to you. Panjwani.
मैंने जवाब दिया था.
Okay. Yes, is okay. Good. Somebody else is also answering. Divyajit. Okay, good. Speak to me, okay? Don't just sit. Okay. What is this now? Do you know this?
Ma'am, answer will be 2.
Right shift.
Right shift, right? Yes. Answer will be.
2.
This is actually shortened. Do you know this shortened? Do you know this? Means like plus equals to no. It is.
shorthand तो पता है पर ऐसा नहीं दे.
After shortened in this also it's possible.
It should be a Boolean value, right?
This will be Boolean.
If it is shorthand, then it should be Boolean.
Shorthand
पर boolean value का integer करके देगा ना return तो integer ही आंसर आएगा.
equals to
कल शायद कुछ आएगा
I equals to I, this 2. This is the
Okay.
answer, yes. Shorthand, no, just replace, just change the position and repeat this value. Shorthand plus equals 2 means I plus equals to 2, right? Now, what is the value of I? It's 8 only, no? Very easy. Binary, Boolean nahi, bacha, binary.
And please explain the second one once.
Okay. This is going to be binary. Let me get my pen, just 1 second. Okay, yes, I have. See, where is pen? Okay. People who are watching match can focus here for 1 second, for a few minutes, not 1 second. Okay.
Yeah, man.
See, this proves that somebody is watching match in the class. Okay. Where is the question? Okay, this is just like shorthand. No, see, I plus equals to 2 when you write. What do you write actually? I equals to I plus 2, right? Shorthand. So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
it is shorthand used over here, then I equals to I, write double shift 2, right? Now, this is clear, right? This is clear, bacha?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. Now if
ऐसे क्यों लिखते हैं सीधे क्यों नहीं लिख लेते
huh? क्या हुआ
ऐसे
बच्चा?
क्यों लिखते हैं सीधे क्यों नहीं लिख लेते
Shorthand is only used to confuse you. That's the use of shorthand. That's it. And in order to not to repeat the operand, to remove the redundancy, we are using shorthand. That's all. No good reason for that. You are just reducing the repetition of the variables in the statement. That is the use of shorthand. And also to confuse you more, we do that. Okay, somebody is answering. See, this I don't understand. What is written? Pali word.
मैम मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये उसने पूछा ना ऐसे क्यों लिखा है सीधे नहीं लिख सकते तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ मार्क्स तो ऐसे नहीं दे सकते ना परोस के.
Yes, you are right, actually, very right. We are going to harass you a lot for this. Okay, but in a good way, so that you will enjoy also. Okay, if it is 8, what is the binary of 8? You know this? 8's binary.
1000.
1000, right? Correct. Now they are asking you to shift 2 bits on the right. Okay, then the bits has to fall off. If you are shifting right, the number will reduce. If you are shifting left, the number will increase because you are adding more bits on the left hand side. This is your Humpty Dumpty, this wall. Okay, now Humpties and Dumpties are falling off, right? Then what is the answer? What is left here if 2 digits fell off?
Then 2.
It is 2, right? So answer will be in integer only. Computation will be in binary, but integer will be the output. Why computation is in binary? Oh, there is one more topic I want to explain. I don't know if you know this or not. If you are storing integer, if I am saying that I have integer x equals to 5, in memory, in computer's memory, it is never stored as 5. It is stored as binary of 5 always, bitwise. Okay, because computer doesn't understand 5. It understands only binary. Even if you understand decimal, it doesn't understand decimal number system. In the memory, it is always stored in form of bits 101. That is why we say that usually the smallest data type, which is this byte, right? In programming, this Java, the smallest data type is byte, and it is also having 8 bits. It is having 8 such khanas, right? 8 such bits, right? So even if you create a byte variable, it is going to store any number that you want. It is going to store in form of binary only. In backend, it is always stored in binary, not in form of integer. Okay, it doesn't understand decimal number system. Machine doesn't understand decimal number system. Okay, so why bitwise is working like that? Because it is always working in binary. So it knows, okay, I know what is binary of 8. Okay, I know what is this binary of 8. I just have to, make Humpties and Dumpty fall, and this is the answer. But if it is left shift 2, then it will just add 2 bits more. So whatever is this is the stuffing. You are stuffing 2 more zeros at the end. So the number is going to increase in the answer, in the actual answer, in the decimal form. Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good, okay. Now, will you help me with this one? This one.
8.
Ma'am, answer will be 8.
Will be 8. What is the binary of 17?
Ma'am, 10001.
10001. 1301.
301. Okay. And you are asking to right shift 1. Okay. So only 1 digit will fell off. Right. So this is the answer. That is 8. Right. Correct. Okay. Very good. What about this one? This is unarranged. You just have to. Yes. Good one. Yeah. You get the gist. Okay. Very easy, right? What is the answer here?
3.
3, correct. What about this?
2.
2.
Yes. Yes, very good.
4.
Same is carry forward, right?
2, ma'am.
2. Okay. Result plus 8. 2 plus 8. 10. 10. Good. What about this? 10 mod 7.
1, ma'am.
Good. 10 mod 7 will be
Ma'am, 3.
Then 3. 3.
3, right? Yes, correct.
3, ma'am, sorry.
Correct. What is this? Can you tell me? 7 mod 10.
0.
No.
Ma'am, 7.
10.
7 and
10.
0.3. 7.
7 itself, right?
Sorry.
Yes, you are right. If you are doing A module B, if you are finding this answer, if A is less than B, always A is the answer. If 7 is less than 10, always 7 is the answer. Why? When you are dividing it by 7, you're always getting the remainder, right? This is the answer of this operation. Can it multiply? So no. So 0. 10 zeros are 0. So 7 is the remainder. Are you getting why 7?
Yes.
Hello? Yes, right? The table cannot run with 1, no. So it is going to run with 0. So 10 zeros are 0. That is 7 is the remainder. So if always this number is less than this, no. Then always this is carry forward. The same is the answer. If it is 9 also, then 9. If it is 1, 1. Right? If it is 11, then you do the computation like that. Then it runs with 10 ones are 1 and then 1 is the answer. Right? Any questions in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Oh yes, this is good one. Can you give me the output? I equals to 3. Okay. Next statement is this.
4.
5.
4.
5.
4.
4.
Here it will be 4.
Here it will be 4.
First one 4.
Yes.
Yes.
4.
Then
4. I mean, there will be 4.
why 4?
Ma'am, next
Five
one
होना
5.
चाहिए ना?
5. 5.
You are incrementing again, no, in the next statement. So this will be
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
अच्छा मैम, हाँ ठीक है.
Yes.
Then 6.
Then
6.
6.
plus 6 you are printing. Okay. Then it will be 6, correct. Then
6.
Then again 6.
print 6. Okay.
And then 6 again.
Again 6 now.
No, ma'am. Then 7.
7.
Then
Then
7.
7 हो जाएगा.
Correct. Because printing 6, but you are incrementing and you are making it 7. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Oh, good. See, this is again good. Can you give me the first answer?
2.
2 मैम.
Ma'am, 2.
2? Okay.
2.
What about this one?
It will be 2.
Again 2.
Oh, yes, sir.
0 मैम.
तो नेगेटिव साइन का
आएगा वैसे भी मैम, डिवाइड तो होगा ही ना.
Divide
नेगेटिव को नेगेटिव से करेंगे तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा ना, तो रिमाइंडर 2 आ सकता है.
Yes, ma'am. 2.
Okay, the answer is 2. Negative, if it is negative, no, the answer will be at same only, no. Only if it is negative, then what will be the answer is -2 or 2?
मैम फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि डिवीजन में अगर
Yes,
हम
ma'am,
नेगेटिव
we
से
will
करेंगे
multiply.
तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा साइन.
Yes, exactly. Right. What about this one?
-34 itself.
Minus 4. Minus 4.
-34.
-34.
छोटा नंबर है ना.
If no, it is bigger, no. 34 is bigger than
Yeah.
5. The computation will happen, cannot happen.
Minus 4.
Computation will happen here. Right. 34 and 5, no. 34 and 5 means 5 is outside, no, and 34 is inside.
अभी तो आपने बोला if a is less than b.
A is less than B. Here, A is. Oh, in that way you are taking.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But ma'am,
No,
it is independent of the sign.
it's independent of the sign. Yes. Whatever is the sign of the X will be carry forward here, or A will be carry forward here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this computation will happen. Not in that way.
So
0 and
-4. Then -4.
-4. Right. Correct. Here the negative sign doesn't matter. All right. You know this. But here it will matter. For the sign of the X which is inside this sign will matter. It will just come in the output. That's it. Minus whatever is the output of it. Okay.
ma'am.
Exactly. Okay. Now let me. Okay. Here. Both are negative. Then sign of X will come
Then 4.
always.
So x will then positive.
-4.
+4. +4.
How
+4.
can +4? How
दोनों
come?
नेगेटिव है ना, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई होंगे ना दोनों, रिमाइंडर तो पॉजिटिव निकलेगा.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4.
This is the case now.
हाँ.
Multiplied by +6.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय पॉजिटिव.
Positive 6. Okay.
Positive 6. Then it will be minus 4.
Positive 6. Okay. Then -34 will be the output
Minus-
answer. 30.
Yes.
Oh no.
It will multiply by minus 6.
-6. No. Yes.
-6 or
Yes, ma'am.
-6.
Yes. Correct. Then answer is
4. Minus 4.
Thank you, ma'am.
-4. Right. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 5 module 1. Oh, this is easy. And 1 module 5 will be 1. This I tell you. Okay. 1 module 5 1. 5 module 1.
4.
0.
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am, 0.
0.
Ma'am,
5
0
module 1
divisible
will
by
be 0.
Huh? 5 module 1 will be
0 होना चाहिए ना.
0.
0. No.
0 ही आएगा ना.
1 5
0 मैम रिपीटेबल नहीं आएगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
One fives are 5, no? Remainder is 0, correct? And
Yes.
if A is less than B, then A is the answer. Okay, good. Oh, this is good one. Hmm.
Ma'am, 10.
10.
So first this is solved, right? That you know, no?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Then this will be 2.2 or 2, I don't know.
Ma'am, अगर वो floating है तो 10.
It is integer only. See, 5 and 2 both are integers only.
Then ma'am 8 is the
8, ma'am.
Then 8. Correct. Yes, good. 8. What about this one now?
Ma'am 8.
Same side. Then you need to multiply from left to right. Solve it from left to right. If you are working with the same precedency.
Ma'am 8.
So which will be solved first? This will be solved first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4 plus
Wait.
6.
Then 10.
Ma'am.
Yes. Then
8 आएगा ना मैम आंसर?
Ma'am, 5 आएगा.
this will be solved first. Multiplication will be solved first. So 10 divided by 2.
Ma'am, then 6. 6.
तो मैम 5 ही तो आएगा.
6 will be the answer.
मैम डिवीजन पहले सॉल्व नहीं होगा उस साइड.
Nee, it is
5
only,
divide.
see, if it is star and slash, both are there in the same sequence without brackets, then always left to right it is solved. Left to right, not right to left. So left to right, who is coming first, that you have to think.
Star.
Right, star is coming first. So 10 divided by 2 will be replaced here. 5, right? 5 plus the same thing
5
here.
plus 5, ma'am.
Same thing, right? So answer will be 10. Right? Now here division is solved first, even though they are in
10.6.
Yes.
5.
Yes.
4.
Here, how come 5? 4, no?
4, ma'am. 4.
Bracket is
Yes,
mentioned.
ma'am, 4.
If Ranjwani bracket is there, then whether it is in the same presidency or not doesn't matter. Solve the bracket first. So this is
ऊपर पर डेटा टाइप.
But ma'am, if you haven't mentioned the data type, then it will be 5
is
as well.
already no. It is already mentioned. See, bacha. If it here 0.0 is written, no, then it is double or float, right?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
You are working with integers here. See, raw integers. Nothing will happen.
That will be 4.
Yes. Now it is 2 into 2, 4. Correct. What about this? Same precedency. Now how will you solve it?
5.
Left to right. It will be 5.
5.
So 5 is the answer. Correct. Now what about this? See the
6 is, ma'am, 6, then, I mean, 25 by 4 is 6.
6. 0 point nothing will come, right?
No.
6.
Because it is integer, right? Now you tell me.
Ma'am, 6 is 6.
This is 25 divided by 4.0. So output will be in form of
6
double.
point कुछ आएगा.
6 point something. Okay. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. But 6 point will come for sure. Now what about this?
6 by 4, whatever it is. Like
6
1.
by 4, right? 1 point something. Right?
No, 1. Only 1.
Only one. Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Integer.
Only 1.
Integer. Okay. Good. Yes. Now
Now 1 point something.
Now 1 point something. Yes. Okay. Good. Fine. Whatever. This is okay. This you already know now. Oh, no. This you tell me. This question number 9.
मैम फर्स्ट आंसर 2.5 आएगा?
Yes, because this is, even though it is written in integer, the value is stored in double, so it is automatically converted to 5.0, and 5.0 by 2 will be 2.5, right?
Second one would be 2.
Second one will be only 2. Yes, correct. Yes. What about this one? Girls are awake in the class? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, others are awake, right? Please answer. Yes, okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Riddhi. Okay, good. Can you give me this answer? I told you, right? Arithmetic, increment and decrement will have the highest priority as compared to others. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Increment is done first. 27. Yes.
27.
Yes, 27.
Hold first, very good. That is going to be
Pre-decrement.
27, comma 9.
9.
Yes, correct. 27, comma 9. Good, good. Yes, very good. What about this? This is I equals I double left shift J. This is how it is replaced in the back end, right? Shortened. Left shift. Okay, you are increasing. Okay, okay, good. What is the binary of 100? 400, right? It is 4. It is this, no? 4 left shift 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. Then 4 is 100. And 2 more of this.
10,000. 16.
Yes, yes, yes. 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 16. 2 raised to 4, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, correct, correct. This will be 16. Good, good. What about this? Will it be true or false?
False.
Maybe true.
False.
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 False only.
False.
Are you comparing or you are assigning? Did you check the opposite? Did you check? Is it comparing or assigning?
Assigning.
Assigning, no. Assignment is always true or false?
True.
True, right? Assigning is always true, right? You are just assigning the value. Assigning is a true operation, right?
True.
So the answer will be yes.
And there is some disturbance.
Somebody actually even can hear. Vishab, always like this. No?
Somebody is telling take attendance.
Oh, okay. It's already past that. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll solve more of this. Okay, from here we'll solve more of this. All right. In the classes, wherever we get time like this, I'll make you solve. Okay, fine. Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Rohan.
Present, ma'am.
Vipin. Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
Anit. Riddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Raj. Riddhi was there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Raj. Josh.
हेलो मैम उसका माइक का इशू आ रहा है वो प्रेजेंट है
Okay. Mansi.
Present.
Yes. Nandhan.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Smith Kumar.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Revan.
Present, ma'am.
Vidyajit. Dipen. Tushar.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Yes. Harsh.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Manyar.
Present, ma'am.
Parmar.
प्रेजेंट
Udairaj.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Rishabh.
Present, ma'am.
Ivanchi. Tanvi.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Vanuchali.
प्रेजेंट मैम
You were absent yesterday. Vanuchali was absent.
नो मैम आई वाज प्रेजेंट यस्टरडे
Present, ma'am.
You were there yesterday? Oh.
यस मैम
Oh, okay. Harshvardhan present. Yes. Vijay Raj. Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Vidania.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Arti.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Avinash.
प्रेजेंट मैम
Ranjul.
Present, ma'am.
Nimbani, yes.
Present, ma'am.
We have Arjan.
Yes, ma'am.
You are there. Okay. Maharana. Okay. Tanmay Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Dignesh. Okay. Panjwani. Sushil Prasad.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Dhruvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Naitik.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Dharmik.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed.
Present, ma'am.
Kunal.
Present, ma'am.
Nidhi Jain. Arpit Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Arpit. Okay. Meghna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gamda. Yash.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, you are there. Bhavdeep. Divya.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Divya. Sefali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Samir Alam.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Isha.
Present, ma'am.
Vibhusha.
Present, ma'am.
Om Parik. Aditya.
Present, ma'am.
Hitesh.
Present.
Aditya Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Zindakan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yes. Priyank. Tushar. Another Tushar is
Present,
not-
ma'am.
Yes, there. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you are there. Nikita.
Present, ma'am.
Girish.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Pathik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Enrollment number 62. Shri is
Yes, ma'am.
present. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, A45 present, ma'am.
45. Where were you? Divya is there. Okay, okay, yes. Okay. 61. 59.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 60. 60 is there. 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Ima, present. 65. 65. Okay, okay. 73. Okay. Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Darshan.
Yes, ma'am. 73.
73. Darshan is present?
Ma'am.
Yes. Dedeep?
Ma'am, 60 present.
Yes. 60? 60. Okay. Yes, yes. Dedeep is present. Smriti? Present. Vaishali?
Present or galacho?
Vasu? Kunal?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Paliwad?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You all can leave the session. 60 have marked you present. 62. Okay, you are marked as present only. 60 is also present. Divya present, yes. Okay, yes. You all can leave the session.